What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Meltnificent coming back with another sneaker review. And today, we are going to go over the Nike Dunk / Nike Blazer Sacai shoe. I mean, I didn't think I was going to be able to get this because, quite honestly, this was a limited release. It's so limited that I believe there was a Nike Waffle. There was two forms of them, two color silhouettes that were released, and two forms of the Blazer, the Nike Dunk or the Nike Blazer combination. One was blue, one was yellow, predominantly yellow. I have the yellow version, which they call the Snow Beach version. But out of all these four pairs, from what I understand, our friends up north, they may have gotten 20 pairs per shoe, which is crazy, stupid, limited. That kind of sucks. Over here in America, it was a little bit more widespread, but it wasn't like a vast majority available. So I was able to get my hands on this. I'm curious to see what it looks like because Sacai is just known for fusing just anything together, almost anything together. I mean, if it's a jacket, it's a shirt, they stitch it together, they make it work, and then it all of a sudden becomes a design that they're shooting down a runway, and people are snapping pictures, and it's just crazy. So they decided for the first time, again, I've never seen this. I've seen so many different collaborations with Nike, Jordan, and all other types of sneaker companies where they do collabs with movie artists, music artists, designers, famous designers around the world, and that's basically what they did almost with the Off-Whites, just like these. And keep in mind, I think her name is, I want to say Chitosi Abi, who is the founder of Sacai, and that, I think it was like 1998 or whatever that they came out. But again, they've done that, their design where everything is just fused together, two different things, in this case the Nike Dunk and the Nike Blazer, and they just put them all together. So let's just see the shoe. I want to see what it looks like. Kind of came up banged up, but hopefully that's not a bad sign. But Nike, just saying, the whole box thing, one of these days I feel like it's going to happen to me. I feel like I'm going to have the shoe, and then Nike's going to be like, yeah, you know what? Somebody just steal it from Milton. Just go ahead. Just go ahead. Whoa. This is new. This is paperwork, and this is the box. So before we get into that, let's just put this box over here. You may have seen that on the camera, whatever. Before we get in the shoe, I just want to let everybody know I did get done the New York to Paris shoes. I decided to, this is the finalized version. When I kind of painted this whole thing, I kept it mostly I kept it mostly crimson with a hint of gray. I wanted to keep the black in with no hyper pink. It was just my design. I just wanted to see what it looked like, and it came together like this. So New York to Paris is right here. Again, I haven't gotten to LA to Chicago yet because I'm still debating on whether I should do it or not. So that could be a future video. But anyway, let's get in the shoe. So this is a slide-out drawer box. And you can see right here, Blazer Mid comes about like 140 bucks. It really wasn't that much, again, but it was very limited, so it was kind of hard to get. And me being size 13 and rocking a Nike Blazer that's combined with a Nike Dunk, I could be looking like Bozo the Clown if I take this out, but we're going to find out. And, ooh, you can slide this out. It's pretty cool. If you haven't seen the box, again, looks like this. I already see the Sacai symbol on the wax paper. It's clear as day. It's pretty cool. There's more paper in this box, and there's also there's extra laces in this box. A black, which I'm thinking that it was supposed to look like this. I don't know what happened with the packaging, but black and white laces, so it does come with extra laces. Double stitched. Wow. Holy smokes. Uh, double laces. I mean, like, this is what I'm talking about. These are the Sacai Blazers Snow Beach Edition. Now, let's get into the shoe, because this is kind of unique, man. I've never seen anything like this. It's just double everything. Like where do you start? You got the double Nike swoosh on the outer side of the shoe, right? On the side panels. You got the double mudguard, which I've never seen before on a shoe. The double laces and the double tongue. You can see that. It kind of has that off-white appeal when you look at that. So that's this is crazy. My first reaction to this is it's different. It's very different. It's something that if you ever get a chance to get this shoe, you know, if you really want heads to turn when you're walking down the street, this is it. I'm telling you right now. It has it does have the gum bottoms at the bottom. It is filled with ridges, but for what I understand, if I can remember, I've never tried on a Nike Blazer or Nike Dunk before, but if they doubled up on everything, there's the possibility that they may have doubled up on the cushion, which would make this a very comfortable shoe. It's just that you're going to be turning a lot of heads. A lot of heads by putting this on. So you can see right here, like I said, the double mudguard. This is actually pretty cool. I like this on the midsole of the shoe because it's literally just rubber. It's all rubber from the side as I'm laughing. The upper is just all leather. Now, I looked at certain sites that said that this was red, black, and yellow, and I think that may have been a mistake because it's like a navy blue, red and yellow combination. So, Cavaliers maybe? If you're thinking about it, like the Cavaliers have this sort of red, kind of burgundy jersey with that navy blue and the yellow. So if you're a Cavs fan, you could get away with kind of rocking this. I know the whole LeBron thing is but you're still, if you're a Cavs fan, a true Cavs fan, you could pull this off. But this, to me personally, I actually am just, you know what though, I can't say much because I have the PG3s, the NASAs, and we've seen that colorway. That is just like all over the place. I am going to do an on foot, or actually, on my feet kind of video because I'm curious just to see how I can get my feet into this. The reason why I say that is because if you look at, just looking at the axis, I should say, going up and down like this shoe, especially the tongue, you can see how narrow it is. This off the top of my head, I can tell you right now, this is going to fit almost like the PG3s, where if you have a narrow foot, you could pull this off, you can wear this. If you have a wide foot, this ain't going on your foot. It just ain't. But let me see if I can actually put this on, because I'm kind of curious how tough it would be. I mean, like the double lacing alone is going to make it extremely difficult to get my foot into this shoe. But again, the cushioning, from what I understand and from what I read, is out of this world. I think there's a shoe tree in there. There's a shoe tree in there. I can't even open this up wide enough to show you what's inside the sole of the shoe. But it does read. I don't know if you can read it. Maybe you can if the lighting's good. No. But it does read Nike Sacai. It has the same symbols that you've seen on the sneakers app inside the shoe itself. Like I said, I think that this part is the cool part. So if you look at the tongue, the double tongue, both of them on the back have that Nike Sacai symbol. There you go. I think I got it. Right? But only on the front, only one of them has Nike Sacai, and the other tongue has just the Nike symbol. And then on the back, you can see, let me pull this, the pull tab. Right behind the pull tab, you got the Nike symbol along with the Sacai kind of like design on the back. So it's the mudguard is actually covering parts of the pull tab. Like, I've never seen this before in my life. This is crazy, but I can tell you right now, though, the leather quality. If you look at the toe box, you see that? This thing is soft. It is like so soft. I've never seen a shoe like this before. It's mind-boggling. So let me just stop the jip, 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 and then try to see if I can get my foot. Yeah, that was me talking. Let me see if I can get my foot inside this shoe, and I'm gonna. If I fall down, don't laugh. No, go ahead and laugh. I don't care. See if I can. Let's see how hard it is to get my foot inside this shoe. And yep, I can't even. Let's try to loosen the laces. Okay, I'm gonna loosen the lace a little bit. Kind of choking there. All right, I'm gonna try to open this up just a little bit. You know what I mean? Try to get a little run start. Let's see if I can get my foot inside this shoe. Let's try this again. So now we have this, kind of loosen up the laces right here. And we're going to try to get my foot inside the shoe. All right, let's try this again. Oh, all right. If I hold my breath, maybe I can do it. Oh, actually, I think I got it already. And it is in. Okay. Oh, snap. Hold up. It does feel good. How does this... This feels good. Don't worry about if you can't see it on my foot now. Again, I'm going to do a quick, maybe 2-minute video of my on-foot review, if you want to call it. But I can tell you right now, like, this actually feels good. I'm going to wear this. I'm going to wear this shoe. This is... I just want to see what people's reaction are on the streets when I'm walking up and down with this designer shoe from Sacai. This is crazy good. This is crazy. And it actually is kind of easier to get in. It's a little bit more roomier than the PG3. PG3, you can feel the shoes, at least both sides. You can feel it like kind of compressing on your foot. This actually, as narrow as it looks, it kind of stretches out. It kind of stretches out a little bit. But that offers a lot more room for your foot when you're walking back and forth. So, your boy Magnificent, Sacai's SB Dunk. SB Dunk. I'm thinking of the SB freaking Dunks right here that I got right in front of me. Sacai Nike Dunk, the Nike Blazer. And quite frankly, I am not disappointed. I'm not as hyped as it would be for like Off-Whites or anything like that, but this, again, is my first designer shoe that I was able to kind of get from the sneakers app. I've been known to take L's, but this one's pretty cool. I'm going to actually keep this in the collection because this looks like a fun shoe to have and look at and say, yo, out of my shoe collection, I got the Sacai's. The Sacai's. The Blazer. Blazer mid. It's... And you know what, though? And quite honestly, I know some people are going to say, man, you look like Bozo the Clown with them things on. I am not rocking that. But quite honestly, forget the hype. Rock what you like. Your boy Magnificent. I'm going to do the on feet right now so you can see what it looks like. And we'll just go from there. For now, I'm out.
Thank you.